You just gotta download the Google Nest app.
Okay.
And then create an account, and then you can go forward from there. But right now we're cooling. That's what the screen's showing right now. I'm gonna click the face in. You can click the face in anywhere. It's not touchscreen. Like clicking it, it's just like a button pretty much.
Oh, okay.
So click it in, and then you spin this outside dial just to get to all the, you know, modes. You got eco mode right there. Scheduling if you want to, you know, set up a schedule. History of the thermostat. That's settings. That's where you're gonna go to when you want to hook it up to the Wi-Fi.
Oh, okay.
And this just goes back. But to select, I'm just spinning this outside gray dial.
Okay.
I have it down to 71, and it's guesstimating it's going to be about 2 hours where it gets down to.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's my brother. Went to the thing. Oh.
Yeah, he kind of like sort of went over some, you know, like this wasn't in code last, the other unit, and then so that's good. We got a new pump.
Yeah, new
We had so many problems with that. He had to move the pipes because
He probably had a
couldn't
hard
get it
time.
in. Yeah, he did. He had a hard time getting
I didn't know that.
Yeah, just because of the way it's set up. So.
Yeah, no, not a fan of having the water heater right next to the furnace.
Yeah.
I've broken like a pipe that way, like falling off a duct.
I can imagine.
Just pulled it too hard and
yeah.
poop, popped the little PVC out.
Oh, man. Okay, so it sucked. That's the pump. Yeah.
Mm.
That is not supposed to be that loud.
Oh, okay.
So if water ever starts leaking in here, it's gonna just get, you know, gonna start raising up, and it's gonna engage this switch right here.
Okay.
So that'll also kill the system. So it's kind of like a 3.
Ganito pala yun, guys. So ito yung pinalitan nila, itong malaki na to. Yan yung bagong furnace, basta ganun. And it cost $10,000. Okay? May kasama yan nandun sa labas, which is the compressor. Titingnan din natin. Tapos I don't know, hindi ko alam na magkatabi pala siya ng water tank. Ito yung heater, yung water tank na nasira nung isang araw, that cost us $3,000 something, 3,500. So kita nyo, magkatabi sila. Hindi ko alam na gano'n. So maganda talaga magkahiwalay sila, no, kasi parang hindi convenient or parang hindi safe na magkasama. Ayan, babalik daw yung gumagawa kasi may papalitan siyang part na isa pa, and kailangan may kukunin daw niya sa warehouse. Ayan, ang hirap nga naman ginawa niya nung gumawa ng tank. Iba yung gumawa ng tank ng water heater sa gumawa nitong aircon, pero same company, pero iba ng specialty. Palagay ko nga may nabangga nga siya.
Bakit?
Kasi magkatabi pala, akala ko nandito siya. Nandito siya sa kabila.
Siguro na tinatanggal niya yan na
may nasagi siyang no?
Oo.
Ang hirap nga naman, ikaw ba naman tanggalin mo yan? Paano?
Pero mahal ang kapalit, 10,000.
10,000 yun nga lang.
Diba?
Pero kasi ang tagal ng, hindi na 10 years old na rin naman. So ganun ang lifespan nila. So nakuha namin 10,000 plus warranty ng labor and parts for 10 years din. So, ito yung pinakamababa na kinuha namin. Meron pang mas mahal actually. Yan.
So, ano ang lifespan niya?
10 years. Pagkabayad.
10 years ba sabi?
10 years lang.
Ganon?
Oo. 10 years lang daw ang niya, lifespan niya.
Sinabi?
Oo. So, ayan. Gara, to papalitan na naman siya. Kahit yung tangkit, 10 years din. So, sabay sila.
Akala ko tinatanong kayo kung gusto niyo yung 20 years. Yun yung mahal.
Ayaw. Oy, mahal yun. Parang, hindi 10 years din, pero mahal. $20,000.
Pero sa tingin ko baka meron siyang
nasagi. Kasi magkatabi pa siya. Yung malaki ang pinalitan. Nakalimutan nila yung nila, gamit nila. Bango, no? Ito yung pinalitan. Ayan. Yan yung pinalitan. So, magkaiba na, na siya, bago na. 10 years old. Ay! Tinapak-tapakan nila yung ko. Yung halaman sa gilid. Ayan, 10 years old. Ito, compressor. Ewan ko pa. Ha? Pwedeng sara. Ay, ingat ka dito. Ano ba to? Naputol?
Ano yan kaya?
Hindi ko alam. So, yan ang isa sa mga dapat pagbibili ng bahay. Isa yan sa mga dapat titignan, ma. Yung HVAC pa, yung aircon, yung heater, kung ilang taon na ginawa. Kasi kung hindi, gagastos ka talaga ng malaki. Isa pa yun, ako po, pinaalala mo na naman yung bubong namin. Iyon naman is, siguro, after 10 years or 5 years, parang papagawa din ulit yun. So, yan ang disadvantage ng may bahay. Kasi, ikaw ang magpapagawa lahat ng pagawain. No? Tama ba, ma? So, bubong. Ito yung mga gastos, bubong. Yung bubong dito, hindi rin biro-biro, Nasa 20,000 yan, 30,000 yung roof. Tapos, yung HVAC, yung nakita nyo na 10,000. Yung pinakamura na yung pinili namin. Kasi nga, hindi namin kailangan yung luxury na, and then, sabi ni Phil, well, we don't need expensive na HVAC. So, yung pinakamura lang ang kinuha namin. And then, pero, ang yun, 10 years warranty, 10 years, pati yung labor and yung gamit. And, yan, yung mga magpagawain, yan yung mga isa pa yan, guys, yung mga puno. Alam mo, ang mga puno na yan na nasa harap namin, yan, hello, say hello. Yung mga puno na nakikita nyo, ayan, laki-laki, diba? Kapag yan pinutol, isang puno lang, $800. Ilang puno yan kung puputulin mo yan. Yan. Isa pa, guys, sa washing machine din na pag namin, akala namin yung front load maganda, no? Pero medyo mabusisi siya kasi kailangan mo siyang linisin yung, ang tawag dito, ma? Yung nagmo-mold siya sa harap. So, mas maganda talaga top load, so, marami kaming natutunan nung bumili kami ng bahay kasi dati nagre-rent lang kami. So, parang lang kami ng bili lang ng bili na, kasi rent lang naman. So, kahit anong gamit, ganyan. Pero kung bibili ka talaga ng gamit ng pangmatagalan, matututo ka, na wag palang front load, dapat top load. Pang magandahan lang yung front load. Pero maganda talaga top load. Tapos yan, kapag bibili ng bahay, yun ang ang isa sa mga titingnan nyo. HVAC heater, water heater, yung roof, yan ang mga important foundation ng bahay. Pag mura yung bahay na nasa mamahaling neighborhood, tapos siya lang yung pinakamura, medyo magtaka-taka kayo ng konti. And then, isa pa, guys, yung harap. Pag bumili ka ng bahay na merong HOA, syempre, lahat niyan, paint ng bahay mo, renovation ng bahay mo sa labas, need nilang i-approve yun. So, hindi ka lang basta-basta magpipintura sa bahay. Ilalagay mo yun sa document, and then isisend mo sa HOA, and then wait mo silang mag-approve. And may mga color ng bahay dito na hindi pwede. I think black or something. I don't know. And then also, nung bago kami dito, yung harap ng bahay namin, yung grass, maraming damo. Di ba sa Pilipinas, binubunot lang natin yung damo. Ngayon, dahil matagal kaming wala dito, and hindi naman namin alam na meron palang dapat walang damo yung front ng bahay nyo. Nagkaroon kami ng penalty dahil may damo yung bahay namin. Yung wild weeds ba yon, yung mga damo-damong hindi talaga So, nagka-penalty kami. I think we have to pay $800 for that. And then, also, so, ang ginawa namin, kailangan naming mag-hire ng taga-patay ng damo. Every 3 months or 4 months, parang pumupunta sila dito, tapos may ni-spray sila para mawala yung mga damo-damo. So, yun. Isa yun sa mga, pag may bahay ka, kailangan talaga inaayos mo. And then, the HOA due. Yung HOA namin, every year, although hindi naman siya mabigat sa bulsa, every year we have to pay $800 or else you won't be able to use the clubhouse or the pool. Or, I don't know what else is the, nun. Kasi dito, kapag hindi mo nabayaran yung HOA mo, it's subject for, parang pwede nilang kuhanin yung bahay mo. So, pag dumami ng dumami, tumaas ng tumaas yung HOA dues mo at hindi mo binabayaran every year at tumaas na yan, naipon ng naipon, pwede nilang kuhanin yung bahay mo. So, yan yung mga bagay na may disadvantage pag may sarili kang bahay. Although, ang advantage naman ng pag may bahay ka, of course, hindi ka na, kung may sarili kang trabaho and nababayaran mo naman ng mortgage, hindi mo na isipin na mapapaalis ka sa bahay na yun kasi yung may-ari, kakailanganin nila yung bahay. So, yun, hindi mo na yun iisipin. Hindi mo na isipin na maglipat-lipat, ganon. Yun naman ang advantage nun na may bahay ka. Ano pa ang ma-advantage ng may bahay? Of course, kapag tumagal ang panahon and if you don't need your house and you decided na gusto mo pala ng mas maliit na bahay, you can sell it. Especially kung bumili ka ng bahay na malaki, na medyo lumaki yung equity ba yun? Bawa, itong bahay namin is 400 namin nabili. Kunyari lang, okay? Pero actually, ganong time. 445. Ngayon, it's valued as 783,000. So, kung ibebenta mo siya, for 45 mo siya nabili, 783 mo siya pwede mabenta or up. Kasi, yung iba nagbibid. Lalo na kung nasa magandang area ka. So, magandang bumili ng bahay sa magandang area. Especially, kaya ito din yung napili namin. Kasi yung area namin is maganda yung school system niya. Lalo na yung high school and yung elementary and yung middle school. So, wala kaming problema dun. And then, also, yung location niya, malapit siya sa lahat. Malapit sa supermarket, malapit sa gas. As in, malapit sa lahat. And then, hindi siya, although hindi ko naman masasabing hindi crowded, but malayo siya sa highway. Hindi mo naririnig yung mga sasakyan. Although, sa harap namin, maraming mga sasakyan. Kasi, nasa hindi naman kami dulo ng neighborhood, And then also, isa pang gusto namin dito is malaki yung lupa niya, and then yung wala kaming katabing kapitbahay na malapit na malapit. Although may katabi kami, pero hindi naman kaming magkadikit. Parang, hindi namin nakita yung isa't isa sa likod, hindi din sila pwede magtayo dahil malaki pa yung lupa namin sa likod. Sa gilid din, malaki pa yung lupa namin sa gilid. So, yun naman ang advantage ng may bahay. Kapag binenta mo, malaki yung balik. But, so isipin mo na lang, kung binenta namin tong bahay na to, nakuha namin, halimbawa, nabenta namin ng 800,000. Wala na kaming makikitang bahay na 800,000 na ganito kalaki. Kasi kung manunod kayo ng mga house tours namin, yung mga 800,000 na bahay is medyo maliit na dito or hindi finish yung basement. And then tataas pa yung mortgage mo kasi malaki ngayon ang interest. So nung nabili namin tong bahay, ang interest niya is 3.5 or 3%, ngayon nasa 8% na or 7% ng interest rate. So yun, we got the house just sa tamang panahon lang. So yun ang advantage at disadvantage ng pagbili ng bahay. So may ibang tao na gusto nila, wala silang iniisip na mga pagawain tulad niyan, yung bubong, aircon, heater, mga tulo sa mga bahay, plumbing, kasi lahat yan sagot ng landlord. So yun yung nila, yung iba gusto nila ipunin na lang nila. Nagre-rent lang kasi gustong mag-retire sa Pilipinas, and then meron namang tulad namin na gusto naming may bahay para hindi na kami palipat-lipat kasi from Virginia to California, 'di ba? Kailangan naming lumipat kasi wala kaming sariling house. So, pag sinabi ng landlord na we need the house, na you have to find another house. And at that time, when we're looking for another house in California, you have to put up front anyway. Like, I think the minimum na nakita naming bahay is like 5,000 or 4,000 a month. And then, you have to put advance payment or something ganon. And then maliit yung bahay, you know. So sabi namin, kung gagawin namin yan, ihulog na lang namin sa down payment sa bahay na bibili namin. So they did it the whole day, right?
Yeah.
Whole day. They started like 10 a.m.
But imagine like
and finished at like 5 or 4 p.m.
It's 10,000.
Yes.
So I mean, I don't know how much equipment costs, but
Yeah.
probably those guys aren't making that much.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a big one.
It's a big one too. Right? It's a big one too.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Well, this one I don't really understand. This one is
Basement and the first floor.
and this one is
The third floor.
second floor or whatever. Oh, so what's in the attic
It's the same type of unit that we have in the basement.
that they replaced?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
but smaller.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's if
it's
those
only
goes
for this.
if those goes off, it's cheaper.
Yeah. Well, yeah. It's about half.
Okay, I have a question for you. What is that? Is that electricity?
No, it's just
I-
like wires for. Oh, something broke. Huh?
Yeah, what is that? Don't touch it. It might be electric.
I forgot like. It was.
Is that a root?
No. There's
Oh, okay.
wires for. There's
AT&T?
like these kind of things.
Oh, okay. Okay, so
Yeah,
nothing to
yeah,
worry
so
about
it's
that.
not-
Okay. All right.
Mostly like probably.
Okay. My mom is asking if we can put a mulch over here.
Yeah, we can.
She said because so it's
We
you know
could. It's just
a mulch.
another couple thousand.
Yeah. So that's I was discussing about the disadvantage of having a house and renting a house.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was like disadvantage is all there, spend all these things. So before buying, you have to make sure everything is in good condition, or which actually, yeah, You have new water heater,
That's money in it.
new water heater, new aircon, and
Empty bank account.
an empty bank account. So funny. We'll sell one of your cars.
Yeah.
Ayan Diba tinutubuan na yung alulod ng mga puno. Tapos sira yun. Pagagawa na naman. So maraming pagawain.